Dear friends, today we are going to see some easy home decor ideas. For that purpose, simply you need some pieces of cloth, wool, beads, thread, etc. Now let us start our project. You take small pieces of cloth. It has to be cut into square shape and you stitch the sides. Keep a little bit open. That's why you can take inside out. Now you stuff it. Then later you stitch the open side with help of thread. In that way you can make as many as piece required. Now you prepare the tassel for the wall hanging. For that purpose you have to circle about 20 times. Tie on the one side and other side you cut and open. Then later you can stitch and secure with help of needle and thread. In this way, you can prepare the tassels needed in different colors. Now let us make a single colored pom-pom. For that purpose, I coiled about 50 rounds and later the same way tied in the center and trimmed on both the sides to make into a puffy ball. In that way you can make in different colors. Later, you decorate the pillow-shaped structure with the help of laces. You secure with the help of all pins, then later with the help of needle and thread, you can stitch it. Now you decorate the pillow-shaped structure with the help of mirror and other decorative items available at home. You can use beads also for sticking. Once the glue dries, it will become transparent. Now, as shown in the video, you can stitch and prepare the wall hanging. In this way, all it has been decorated and ready to make. Now, all can be joined together with the help of beads and thread to make the complete wall hanging. In this new year, you can prepare this beautiful wall hanging and decorate your home.